So this new channel is acting as a saved selection. For instance, if I'm popping back over here and choose load selection, there it is, red copy. Let's turn that into a selection. Although the work's not complete, what I'd like to do is to finish this off. I've got pretty well black in the background. In fact, if I bring up the info palette, oopsie, I should be able to check that this is in fact pretty well black, 100%. I can see it there, the letter K indicating black. So that's done the job there. My levels adjustment. I just need to get the rest of this sorted out. So just lowering my brush size and setting it to 100% hardness, which I can do up here if I like. Sort of paint out this area of detail. It's pretty easy. The little bolt thing, and I will just lower the brush size again to single click at the top, shift click to quickly paint out each line. And now what I'm left with is a very neat selection area relative to the original image. I perhaps do want to add in the a little bit down here. So just with the selection rectangular marquee, painting that in, I should be pretty good to either load my selection from the select menu or type Command Option 6, and there it is. Actually, that was probably a mistake including that, but anyway, it doesn't matter. From here I'm able to once again bring up my hue and saturation, give myself a different look. As always with this sort of stuff, it's a good idea to knock back the saturation. In fact, let's let that be a little bit more. There we go. Perfect. Selections from existing channel information.